Easily 1 trillion pesos of our taxpayers' money in the Philippines, easily 1 trillion pesos goes to the pockets of our corrupt politicians. Whether you work in the private sector, here or abroad, in the public sector, DPWH, LGU, wherever, very quickly we will start seeing the realities and the problems, not only in our communities but in the government, in our society. Pag pumunta po kayo sa gobyerno, makikita niyo kaagad yung kalakaran, kung gaano kalaki yung mga kickbackan na tinatawag na ang Standard Operating Procedure o SOP. Isipin po ninyo kung 6 trillion ang budget ng isang pamahalaan, ng ating pamahalaang nasyonal, kung kalahati niyan dumadaan sa procurement, 3 trillion, sabihin na lang natin na ano bang 10% ng 3 trillion, 300 billion, tama ba? Pero alam naman natin, hindi talaga 10% yan, pinakamababa na daw, 20%, 30%, 40%. Marinig niyo yung mga ibang nagkukwento, kagaya ni Mayor Benji Magalong, pag sinisiwalat niya po, sinasabi niya, minsan 50%, minsan ghost na. Easily 1 trillion pesos of our taxpayers' money in the Philippines, easily 1 trillion pesos goes to the pockets of our corrupt politicians. Not only politicians, but bureaucrats as well.